sitting down?
Yeah.
I don't know. Because it's lowbat?
Yeah.
Oh. It's okay, okay? I'm gonna charge it, okay?
Okay.
You can use it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Don't cry, huh? It's just an iPad.
What's
We
that?
can charge it.
What's that, Daddy?
It's a one eye.
What's that face? What's
A
that?
one eye. I think that's a zombie.
No, it's not.
What is it? A teddy bear?
No, that's not Daddy.
A one eye.
No, that's not. It's a game.
It's a game, yeah. Don't be scared. It's just a game. No. Tinatanong niyo na, no?
Dad, it's ready.
Paano ko daw? Ano pinindot mo, Daddy? Ba't nalobat?
Oo nga. Huli ka, Balbon. Sa anak mo, matanong na.
What happened to the iPad?
The iPad is bad.
Yeah, what
What
happened?
happened? What did Daddy do to your iPad?
Daddy, press it.
Daddy press it?
Yeah. It's bad.
Ah, it's lobat already pala eh.
Yes
You can
po.
use it tomorrow pala.
Yes, Mommy. Look,
Alam niya na, no?
it's ready.
Na pinapatay lang,
Kasi
no?
nakita mong ano eh, pinakita mo ako, hindi ko pinapakita, pinipindot ko yun eh. Kahit si Jess, sinabihan ko eh. Pag kunwari malobat, wag mong papakita ang pinipindot mo. Kaya pinapatayin ko yan sa iba kapag ano eh.
Nakita niya, sinwipe kong ganun eh.
Do you know how to play that?
Yeah. Yeah, we did.
What is that game?
Daddy playing.
Dad is playing that game.
Yeah.
Do you want to go to school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Who's your teacher ba?
Teacher Emma. And Teacher Jan.
Ah,
And Ate Four. And Ate Edith.
wow, you have a lot of teachers naman pala.
Triple kill, walang jo.
Tay. Tay. Patay, Daddy.
Patay, Dad.
Dari sa akin mamaya ito. Anong gagawin itong mga kalaban natin?